How to talk to anyone. 10 powerful communication secrets. Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and instantly everyone likes them? They're confident, charismatic, and conversations just flow. The good news? They're not born that way. They're using simple communication tricks, and today you'll learn them. How to Talk to Anyone is a practical guide to communication. It focuses on body language, first impressions, listening, and emotional connection. Point 1. First impressions. First impressions happen in seconds. Your posture, facial expression, and energy speak before you do. Point 2. Flooding smile. Pause for a moment, then smile slowly and warmly. This makes your smile feel real and welcoming. Point 3. Eye contact. Eye contact builds trust and connection. It shows confidence and genuine interest. Point 4. Use names. A person's name is their favourite sound. Use it naturally to create instant warmth. Point 5. Be a great listener. Great communicators listen more than they talk. They react, nod, and ask thoughtful questions. Point 6. Mirror body language. Subtly matching someone's posture or tone builds comfort. This is called mirroring, and it happens naturally between people who connect. Just keep it subtle. Point 7. Talk in terms of their interests. People love talking about what they care about. Ask questions about their interests and let them shine. You don't impress people by talking about yourself. You impress them by being interested. Point 8. Positive language. Positive words create positive emotions. Avoid complaints and negativity. Optimistic language makes people feel energized around you. Point 9. Calm confidence. Confidence isn't loud or aggressive. It's calm, relaxed, and clear. Slow down your speech. Stand comfortably. Believe that your presence matters. People feel confidence before they hear it. Point 10. Practice makes natural. Great communicators aren't perfect. They're practiced. Every conversation is training. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Social skills grow with use. Conclusion. Communication is a skill, not a talent. And small changes create powerful results. If you want better relationships, better confidence, and better conversations, start using these techniques today. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which tip you'll try first. Thanks for watching.